Good afternoon and welcome to our presentation. I want to first start off by telling a little story about me swimming in the Amazon. I was just having a jolly old time swimming like a little dolphin until I felt a little nibble on my pinky toe. I looked down and there was blood. Blood. Tons of blood. There was a school of piranhas eating at my toe, and that's when I realized they were amazing creatures, and that I would present to my amazing biology class, taught by the one and only Mr. Michelson.
Piranhas by Ivan and Patrick. Background information.
The scientific name is Pysocentris naturiri. Piranha fish are illegal to import, to sell, or to own in California. Piranhas are known as carnivorous man-eating beasts. They are one of the most aggressive fish, and as can be seen in this picture, they will attack anything in their path. Piranhas are often found in the region of South America and get as big as 20 plus inches long. These bad boys can live from 2 to 4 years in age. These ferocious beasts can reach up to speeds of 10 miles per hour in very short bursts. Also, their teeth can get as long as 2 inches in fully grown adults. The largest teeth on record were recorded as 3 inches long. As can be seen here in this picture, these teeth have reached a length of at least 2 inches. Respiration!
In order to live, fish must extract oxygen from the water and transfer it to their bloodstream. This is done by gills, lungs, specialized chambers, or skin, any of which must be richly supplied with blood vessels in order to act as a respiratory organ. Extracting oxygen from water is more difficult and requires a great expenditure of energy than does extracting oxygen from air. Water is 1,000 times more dense than air, and at 20 degrees Celsius it has 50 times more viscosity than air and contains only 3% as much oxygen as an equal volume of air. Piranhas, therefore, have necessarily evolved very efficient systems for extracting oxygen from water. Some fishes are able to extract as much as 80% of the oxygen contained in the water passing over the gills, whereas humans can extract only about 25% of the oxygen from air taken into the lungs. Circulation.
The blood of the fish serves, as does the blood of other vertebrates, to transport oxygen, nutrients, and waste. The typical piranha circulation is a single circuit: heart, gills, body, heart. In contrast, mammals have 2 circuits: heart, lungs, heart, and heart, body, heart. The fish's heart proper is 2-chambered, consisting of an upper atrium and a lower ventricle. Amphibians basically have a 3-chambered heart, 2 atria, and 1 ventricle. Reptiles have a 3 or 4-chambered heart, and mammals and birds have a 4-chambered heart consisting of 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The piranha, however, has 2 necessary chambers, and all 4 chambers are contained within a single periodical sac. One accessory chamber is a thin-walled sinus venosus, which collects blood and leads into the atrium. The other accessory chamber is a conus arteriosus, an enlargement of the main artery leading out of the ventricle. In some fishes, such as sharks, the conus arteriosus is muscular and pumps blood into the matter of the ventricle. Reproduction and development.
Not a whole lot is known about piranha reproduction, as observations made in the wild are few in numbers. Almost everything we know about reproduction is based on observations made in aquariums. When a pair is ready to spawn, they form a little territory from which other fish are aggressively chased away. Both fish become much darker in color, and their behavior becomes more territorial and aggressive. In their territory, the fish start to build a nest on the bottom by clearing all plants and removing stones with their tails and blowing it away. When the nest is ready, the males try to lure the female over the nest. Here she will lay her eggs, which will be fertilized quickly by the male. After the spawning, the male guards the nest and chases off every fish that comes too close. Sometimes the female will be expelled, but sometimes she helps with the guarding. The orange-colored fertilized eggs will hatch in 2 to 3 days. Anatomy.
Yeah.
The piranha consists of 6 different kinds of fins, as shown in the picture below. It also consists of many different types of organ systems, such as the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, sensory and nervous system, the central nervous system, sense organs, and the muscular system, and last but not least, the reproductive system. Piranhas are cool. They like to swim in our pool. We like their presentation. Amen to the Piranha Nation.